Starting a metal extrusion quote with Xometry is just a click away. Our secure file upload system accepts most CAD file types. Feel free to upload multiple files at a time. Click part thumbnails to configure your quote further. Review your designs with our 3D viewer or use our built-in search tool to find helpful resources. Select Metal Extrusion from the Process Selection drop-down menu. From here, you can update the quantity. You can also specify your desired material. If you don't see what you're looking for, choose Other. We're happy to explore additional options. Specify finish, as well as features such as tapped holes, inserts, and post-machine features. Be sure to attach technical drawings or other supporting documents via the Drawings and Files section by either dragging and dropping or browsing for the files. Extruded metal parts can be inspected in a variety of ways, starting with our included standard inspection to more advanced options, such as first article inspections, which include detailed reports. Additionally, you can specify qualification and certification requirements, such as certificates of conformance or material certifications. Use the Notes section to call attention to specific needs or to expand upon any custom selections. Once you're done configuring a part, click the Save Properties button in the upper right to save the changes and return to the quote summary screen. Once you have finished configuring all parts on the quote, click the Request a Manual Quote button in the upper right. Your request will be immediately sent off to our dedicated team of project managers and engineers who will begin reviewing your request. We will typically respond within a business date of the request. Once our team has finished their evaluation, a digital quote will be provided for your review. When ready to order, simply go to checkout or share the quote with a purchaser. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions along the way, our customer service agents and engineering experts are here to help.